Morning everyone, it's a beautiful day today and I have just come back from the gym. I did an upper body workout and some cardio as well, and now I am about to shower and get ready for the day, and I will then show you what I am having for breakfast. This is a what I eat in a day video in case you haven't guessed already. I know it's very original, but yeah, we're just going with it. And yeah, I am already so excited for this meal that I'm going to have for my brekkie. Okay, so I was just sat here for a solid 10 minutes trying to figure out why my camera wasn't working, and then I realized that I forgot to add the battery. So what can I say, I can be such a silly goose sometimes. Okay, so as you can tell, the location of this video is different to my previous ones, and that's because I have now moved out of uni. I have left Oxford and I am back in my boring little hometown. I really don't think I'm going to stay here for very long, but I have just, you know, come back to figure out where exactly I want to live next, and you know, the next steps I want to take in terms of my life. I don't like being in the same place for too long, so I doubt that I'm going to be here for more than, you know, a couple of months. I think I'm going to add a little bit of glitter in terms of eyeshadow today, just because I have been enjoying that look. What are they doing outside? Seeing as I have now finished my degree, I am a full-time food blogger, so my work days consist of developing recipes, writing up recipes, editing videos, editing pictures. After I eat my breakfast, I'm going to be filming 2 recipes which I will have for my lunch and for my dinner, and I will show you guys that process. And yeah, hopefully it's going to be interesting, and hopefully it will also give you some meal inspiration. I'm just waiting for this glitter to dry so I can apply my eyeliner. Strangely enough, I get a lot of people on Instagram asking me for an eyeliner tutorial, which never fails to amaze me that I get such requests, because I am this is literally all I do. I just kind of I just go with the flow and hope for the best when it comes to makeup. It's definitely outside of my immediate area of expertise. Okay, so you would have just seen how I made my overnight oats yesterday, and this is basically my go-to recipe whenever I want to have overnight oats for breakfast. Don't worry, there isn't a ghost in the background. I just have the window open and the curtain is doing its thing. So I just add some strawberries, some peanut butter and some walnuts. It isn't, you know, the most exciting or complicated breakfast, but it's really delicious, really simple, and I'm going to enjoy it very much. And I'm going to see you guys at lunch when I make lunch. Obviously, I think I already know what I'm going to have, and I'm already starting to look forward to it. So as you can see, lunch part 1 is tamari mushrooms on toast, which is an absolute classic. I also added some obviously mashed avocado and vegan butter. I'm going to eat this, but I'm probably going to end up having lunch part 2 because I'm also craving something salady. So when I do that, I will also check in with you and show you whatever I'm having. part 2 is not necessarily exciting, but basically it is a butter bean salad that I have been testing for my blog. It's not quite where I want it to be, but basically it's butter beans, vegan mayonnaise, zucchini, some spring onion, lemon juice, and I am going to eat this now. Hello my friends, as you can tell it's a couple of days later and I forgot to film an outro, so here I am doing it, you know, on a day that is not the actual photo of eating that I filmed. But basically, as you will see in a moment, for dinner I had my go-to cauliflower Alfredo recipe, which is made with tofu, and it's such a satiating, really delicious meal that I make, I would say at least once a week. Always like to have something right before going to bed, and for that I had a bowl of coconut yogurt which I served with some strawberries and some amazing peanut butter, because the more peanut butter the better, and that's what I ate on that specific day. But I will see you in my next video, and yeah, thank you so much for tuning in.